Welcome to my channel Technology in the Future. Samsung tablet size foldable phone the Galaxy Fold 3 is the most recent brand phone from the company. Alongside the clean-shell Galaxy Z Flip 3, but 2022 will likely bring more foldable smartphone upgrades in the form of a rumored Galaxy Z4. Here's what we have heard about the Galaxy Z Fold 4 so far in terms of price, new features and possibly specs. There is no doubt in our mind that the Galaxy Z Fold lineup represents a remarkable showcase of technology and innovation. But there's just one thing: Samsung's top of the line foldable is not inherently practical like say the Galaxy Z Flip 3. For example, there was no slot for the S Pen in the Galaxy Fold 3, and based on rumors, there won't be a holder for the S Pen either in its successor. For those who use it, you'll still have to find a way to safely bring along your Samsung stylus. We are crossing our fingers that the leaker got this one review wrong. We love to see a holder in the Galaxy Fold 4, or even better, perhaps see a way to magnetically attach the S Pen to the Fold 3's hinge the same way you can attach an Apple Pencil to an iPad Pro. But the Galaxy Fold 4 might rock a double-sided fingerprint reader. Samsung introduced a fingerprint sensor to its foldable phone via the Galaxy Fold 3, where it's located on the right side of the handset. Accessible whether the device is folded shut or opened up. It also debuted as a power button. However, that fingerprint reader may be on the move. According to a Dutch publication, Let's Go Digital, and may be placed under the screen instead. The Dutch publication referred to a patent Samsung filed in March last year to back up the claim, saying the company plans to process the fingerprint reader in such a way that it can be used a double-sided fingerprint sensor that can be used on the cover screen when the handset is folded shut, as well as when it's unfurled to tablet-sized device on the cover screen. It can apparently be used from the center bottom of the display, and when unfolded it will be on the center bottom of the left screen, the report says. The Galaxy Fold 3 also debuted an under-display camera to Samsung lineup of foldable. It's located under the large internal display and is one of 5 cameras on the device. According to rumors, Galaxy Fold 4 will also rely on 5 cameras, but there will be 2 under-display cameras this time around, at least according to one Korean leaker who goes by the handle $1,122. This is another rumor I hope is inaccurate unless Samsung drastically improved its tech, since the Galaxy Fold 3's under-display camera was its weakest link camera-wise. According to a review of the Galaxy Fold 3 by CNET Patrick Holland, indoor selfies taken with it looked highly processed, and even outdoor snaps and good lighting did not look much better. Many of the big-name foldable on the market today are available for closer to $2,000, putting them well beyond the budget of the average shopper. If Samsung and its rivals want their bendy devices to break into the mainstream in big way, although the Fold 3 is the most expensive phone Samsung has released this year, it still got a welcome price drop compared with last year's Fold 2 and the original 2019 Fold. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. You will take care of yourself. Bye bye.